Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Good morning. I welcome all of you guys in lesson number 49 of grade 2 mathematics. And today we are going to start a new topic, that is division by using a number line, right? Let's just go through what we did yesterday. Yesterday we were having the question where we had to write two multiplication and division sentences by looking at the given figures. So we check the number of rows, check the number of columns. With the help of these, we write the first multiplication sentence, then second, and then write two division sentence. There were four circles, so we write four. There's one row, we multiply it by one, four by one, four. And if we write one multiplication sentence, then we can change the order. One by four equals to four, and there are four circles. We divide it by one, so we get same four. If we divide in one, so the answer will be same, and if we divide four by four, so we'll get one. Same for this and this. Three by three, this is about three by three. Three multiplied by three, nine, and nine by three, three. So two multiplication and two division sentences are same. And they're 5 by 3. This is slightly different because there are three circles in one row, and there are three circles in one column, but there are two, three, four, five circles in one column. So 5 by 3, 15, 3 by 5, 15, and 15 by 3 and 15 by 5. So we just write the multiplication division sentences. In today's topic, we will learn about how to divide by using a number line. Right. So how we can divide using a number line? Let's suppose we have to divide 14 by 2. So guys, if you want to divide any number by 2 with the help of number line, so what you have to do, you have to draw the number line first, or if you have already number line in the figure, and look the number line and start count back in twos. This is 14. Okay, this is 14. This is 14. Count back in twos. You have to go back. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so when you count one time on count back in twos, so you go to 12. Again, if you count back in twos, 1 and 2, it will become 12. Okay. Then again you count back in twos. Abdulaziz Fahad, raise it. So guys, you will keep counting back in twos until you reach at 0. Okay. So you go first, you count back here. One time you count back in twos, it becomes 12. Two time you count back in twos, it becomes 2 now, 10. Then again you count back in twos, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Sorry, 0. So you start counting back in twos from 14 and you reach up to 0. So when how to divide by using a number line? If you are counting, if you have to divide by 2, so count back in twos from 14 to 0 and check how many steps you count back. So this is the number of steps. This is the one back. You go one step back, you reach 12. You go two step back, you reach 10. You go three step back, you reach 8. You go four step back, reach 6. And you go five step back, reach 4. Six step back, you reach 2. And when you reach 7 step back, it is 0. So 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. And you can check this division by related to multiplication also. If I write here 7 multiply by what number will give you 14? So the answer will be also 2. 7 1 7, 7 2 14. So you can check the answer is correct. 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14. So 14 divided by 2 is also equals to 7. Again I repeat guys, How to divide by using a number line? If you have to divide any number by 2, if you have to divide any number by 2, so check the number line. This is the number line already here. If you don't have number line, then you need to draw a number line, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and check the number which you have to divide, I mean dividend. So in the number line, go to the dividend first. So this is 14, I go to the dividend first. Okay, this is 14. Because I have to divide by 2, so I will start count back in twos. Okay, go go back in twos. So 1 and 2, I go back one time. Okay, then again go back to 1 2, I go back two time. Again go back to 1 2, then 3. This is 3 time. Again go back to 1 2 4 time, 6. Again go back to 1 2 5 time, 4. Again go back to 1 2 6 time, 2. And on the seventh step you reach to 0. So you will go back, you will count back in twos until you reach 0. And when you reach 0, you count the steps, how many number of steps you took in order to reach 0. So then number of steps will be your answer. Okay, now tell me, do you understand it? Yes guys, do you get it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I
Yes,
get it.
Makib
Yes.
is right there.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
Makib is right
um,
there.
Yes, sir.
Seven.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
guys, do you have any problem in that? Yes.
yes, no, that's
Yes.
easy.
No.
Easy,
No. No. No.
easy,
No.
easy,
No. No. No.
easy.
Okay, even if you have any questions, so I am opening the chat. You can ask me question there, and I will reply you. If you have any questions, you can send the message here on the chat box. Any questions, guys? Yes. No. Iyad Shami. Yes, Iyad. Sharif Ahmad, you said yes, you understand. Even you have question. Okay. Iyad Shami, wait for a while. Iyad Shami. Iyad Shami. Yes, Iyad.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to ask?
14 division by 2 is 7.
Okay. So, okay, Amal Abdullah. This is not the question, guys. Wait, all of you, wait, guys. I am asking if you did not understand anything, so please send the message here. If you did not understand anything, like Amal is asking a question, 15 divided by 6. Okay, Amal, this is a different question. Amal Abdullah. Yes, Amal. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, you ask what question? Yes.
We need to skip count in twos. So
Look,
let's
guys,
see.
I got your question. You were asking 15 divided by 6. How we will solve 15 divided by 6, right? So don't go in that depth, okay? This is the question that's only answering how you have to divide by 2, okay? If you are dividing any number by 2, so check the dividend in the number line and count back in twos until you reach 0. If you are dividing by not 2, if you're dividing by 3, so then you will not count back in twos. Then you have to count back in threes. Okay, so it is the question only that's explaining how you have to divide a number line by 2. If you are counting back in, if you are dividing by any number by 3, so you will count back in 3. If you're dividing any number by 4, so you will count back in 4. But the procedure will be same, the method will be same. You will count back if you're dividing any number. Let's suppose I am dividing here 15 divided by 3. Let's suppose I'm dividing 15 by 3. Okay, so for 15 divided by 3, I will check. I have to divide 15. 15 is dividend. I will check 15. Where is 15? This is 15. So I'll go there. 15. Okay, I have to divide by 3. So I will count back not in 2. I will count back in 3. This is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I will go like this. And I will say 1. Okay, now again I will go count back in 3. 1, 2, and 3. And I will move from 12 up to 9. And I will write here 2. Okay, again I will count back in 3. 1, 2, and 3. So from 9, now I will go directly to 6. And it is now third step. From 6 again I will count 3. 1, 2, and 3. And from 6 I will move to 3. And it is the fourth step. Again I will count back in 3. 1, 2, and 3. And this will be now my fifth step. So how many steps did I take from 15 to reach 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. Or I can say, or I can check also, 5 multiplied by which number will give you 15? 5 and 5, 5 to 10, 3. So it will be 15. 15. 5 multiplied by dash equals to 15. It will be 3. Okay. I hope you understand it. Yes, guys. Understand?
Yeah.
Wait, Sharif. You were also asking question. I asked. See. Yes, Sharif.
We also using was a number line was using division. We used division number line.
Yes, we are learning today the topic that is division with the help of number line. How we can divide with the help of number line. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So we can do the simple division also like we learned, and we can do the division with the help of number line also. I give you one more example, guys. Let's suppose I don't need to answer 14 by 2. Okay, let's suppose if I want to answer 16 divided by 2. Okay, this is from 16 divided by 2. So where should I start from? Yes, guys, 16 divided by 2 means I have to count back in twos. That is confirmed. 16 divided by 2 means I have to count back in twos. And in the number line, from which number I should start counting back? Yes, in 16 divided by 2, from which number I should start counting back in twos? Which number?
16. 16. 16, sir. 16. 16.
Very good. Very good.
16.
Okay.
16.
Okay.
Sir, open the the chat.
8 equals to 8.
Open the chat, sir.
Look, guys.
Sir, can you open the chat?
Please.
Okay, I am opening.
Oh,
I have
yes.
opened. Okay, I have opened the chat. Yes. Which number I should start from? 16.
14.
No, 14. Very good, very good, very good. All are saying 16. Sharif Ahmad, why 8? No 8. Sharif Ahmad, no 8. We should start from 16. Okay.
ايه خلاص يلا اصبر بس ما تدري اصبر ركز هنا السؤال
So guys, now you know that we should start from 16. Okay. Now, I start from 16. This is 16. All right. Count back in twos. 1, 2. Guys, you don't need to make this line. This is just to make you understand that I'm counting back in twos. So now this is one first step. Okay. Again, I will count back in twos. 1, 2, and this is now second step. Again, I will count back in twos. 1, 2, and this is now third step. Okay. Again, I count back in twos. 1, 2, and this is now fourth step. Again, I count back in twos. 1, 2, and this is now fifth step. Again, I count back in twos. 1, 2, and it is now sixth step. 1, 2, and this is now seventh step. And 1, 2, this is now 8 steps. So how many steps do I take? Did I take from 16 to reach 6, so to reach 0? Yes. How many steps did I take from 16 to reach 0? Yes, guys. Tell me, please. 8 steps. Look the number. Look the number here. This is 16. This is the first step. Second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many steps we took from 16 to reach 0? Yes, guys. How many steps?
8.
Very good. So the answer will be 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. So you will write 8. If this 16 divided by 2, you have to write then 8. So I hope you understand. Now we'll move to the next page, which is page number 68. We'll move to the next page, page number 68. Let me select a picture for you. Open your book, guys, page number 68. Page number 68. Page number 68. This is page number 68, guys. It's division, page number 68. So what is 50 divided by 10, guys? So look at this question. What is 50 divided by 10? So I tell you, if you have to divide by 2, so you will count back in 2s. If you have to divide by 5, you count back in 5. If you have to divide by 10, so then you have to count back in tens. So what is dividend here in the number line? 50. And what is divisor here? 10. This is the number line from 0, 5, 10, 15, like this. It's counting in fives. So come to 50 here and go back 10 steps, to go back, count in tens to reach 0. So this is 50 when you count back in tens. So 50 back, 50 minus 10 equals to 40. So this is 40. So you move from 50 to 40, from here to there. This is 5 plus 5, 10. So you move from here to there. Okay. Then again, go back, count back in tens. 40 minus 10 equals to 40 minus 5, 35, and 30. So this is 2. 30 minus 10, 20. 20 minus 10, 10. And 10 minus 10, 0. So how many steps you take? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 50 divided by 10 equals to 5. Right? Do you understand it? Any problem, guys? Yes, any problem?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, said no.
Yes, say something what you want to say. Yes.
We will fill in the blank. We will write the correct answer and the filling in the blank.
Yes, we have to write the correct answer in the fill in the blanks. Yes. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Yes, guys. So, guys, again, I'm repeating. If you are dividing any number, if you have dividend, obviously when you have this number, any number, that's mean you have dividend and divisor. Okay. Let's suppose if you have 20 divided by 2, so 20 is divided by 2, that's mean you have to count back in twos in a number line, and in a number line you have to count back in twos from where? From 20. And check how many steps you take to reach 0. So that number of steps will be your answer. But if it is not 20 divided by 2, if let's suppose it is 20 divided by 5, so you don't need to count back in twos now, because you have to divide by 5. So now you will count back in fives, and from where? From 20, as dividend is 20. 20 has to be divided. So you will check in a number line from 20 and you will divide by, you will count back in 5 until you reach 0. Same, if it is 20 divided by 10, so you are going to count back in tens, because you have to divide by 10. The divisor is 10. So you will count back in tens. And what is the dividend? 20. So you will count back in tens from where? From 20. In that way you have to divide. These are the important things which you should know when you are dividing with the help of number line. Coming to the practice zone, guys. Write the division facts for each number line. So can you tell me the dividend here? In A, what is the dividend? I'm opening the chat box, guys. Can you tell me the dividend in A? Question number 1A. Can you tell me the dividend? Tell me the dividend here in question number 1. This one. 18, Sharif. No, Muhammad Abdul Rahim, Abdul Aziz, Saud, Abdul Aziz Muhammad, 18, Ali Nizar, 18, Amal, Amjad, Ali Nazar, Ayan, 18, 18. Very good, very good, very good, very good, guys, very good. The answer is 18. You all are right. The answer is 18. I tell you how those who did not understand, I tell you how. Okay, guys, I got it. Now I'm going to close your chat. How 18 is the dividend? Because you can see here the that number is going back. You are going back from which number? From 18. So if you are going back in a number line from any number, that's mean this is the dividend. This number has to be divided. So you can directly write here 18. Okay. Can you tell me 18 divided by what number here? You are dividing 18 by what number? Can you tell me the divisor here? Tell me the divisor, please. Guys, there is one confusion. Some students are saying 3, some of them are saying 6. Okay, so I'm again opening the chat. Who is saying 3 and who is saying 6? I want to check. Yes, answer. Muhammad Abdul Rahim 3, Iyad Shami 3, Muhammad Farooq 3, Adam 6, Sharif 6, Amjad 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, Ilyas 6. Okay. Let me ask to only one of the student who is saying 6. Adam. Yes, Adam. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are saying the divisor is 6. How do you say divisor is 6? I should write here 6. Yes, divisor is 6. How? How do you know the divisor is 6?
Because count back and 6.
No, you're wrong. The answer is 3. I tell you how. Guys, you know how to write a divisor. Check how many, you are counting back in what number. You are counting back in 2s, counting back in 3s, counting back in 10s. I pick this highlighter and check. I am counting back from 18. I go to direct 15. So 18 to 15, I count back in. This is 1, 2, and 3. I count back in threes. Look, I started from 18 and I reach where? 15. So this is my first step. I started from 18 and I count back in threes. I reach 15. Then I again count. Look, 1, 2, and 3. Again count in threes and reach on 12. This is my second step. Then again, guys, I count back in 1, 2, 3. Count back in threes and reach now to 9. This is my third step. 1, 2, 3. Count in threes. Reach now my to 6 on my fourth step. 1, 2, and 3. And now I reached on 3 on fifth step, and from 3 I count again 3, 1, 2, and 3, and I reached 0 on the sixth step. On the sixth step I reach 0. So I am counting back in threes. That's why I will write here 3. I will write here 3. 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3. The answer 18 divided by 3. So I will write here 18 divided by 3. Divisor is here 3, not 6. Divisor is here 3. So I write now 18 divided by 3. Now we have to write the answer. So for answer for this one, I tell you guys, I taught you for the answer for the quotient. You have to check how many number of steps you go back to reach 0. How many number of steps you go back in order to reach 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is, yes guys, question is, answer is
Six.
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 Very good. The answer is
Six.
6.
Six.
The answer
I'm
is
YouTube.
6.
I'm YouTube.
So right here, 6, 18 divided by 3 equals to, okay. Again, I repeat how you have to solve it, guys. When you want to write the dividend, check the number from which number you are going to go, you are going back. From which number you are going back, look this number. This is the number, 18. This is the number from which you are going back, okay? And for divisor, check in one step how many numbers are you counting. For divisor, check in one step how many numbers you are counting back. This is one. Yes guys, for divisor, check in one step how many numbers you are counting back. So this is from 18 to 15. This is the first step. Check 1, 2 and 3. So you are counting back in threes. So now you got to know that you are counting back in threes. That's mean you are dividing 18 by 3. So you write here 3. And for answer, for quotient, you have to check. You have to check how many number of steps you took in order to reach 0 from 18. So the steps are not written. You have to write them then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 number of steps. So you write 6 here. Okay. In that way you have to answer. Any problem guys? Yes.
No.
Don't shout. You know, don't need to shout guys. Don't need to shout.
Open the chat.
We will complete part B and part C inshallah tomorrow. Okay, we will complete part B and part C inshallah tomorrow. If you have any problem in division with the help of number line, so you can message me in the chat box. Okay, I am opening it. I'm opening the chat. Yes, any problem guys? No, very good. All right, very good. I understand. No, it's very good guys that you all understand. And inshallah you will do these two questions in the class. I'll ask everyone to the divisor, to the dividend and to the quotient, and you will help me to solve question 1b and c. So very good to see you guys. This is going to the end of your class, and I'll meet you inshallah tomorrow. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.